Yo, what is up, you guys? Thank you all for tuning in wherever and whenever you are watching this. Today is Monday, March 25th. We're doing a market update to see what's going on here in the crypto market. Let me go ahead and share my screen with you. Make sure I'm on the right one. Share. Perfect. Awesome. So what we're going to look at first here, guys, is CoinGecko. Let me get this out of our way. We're going to look at CoinGecko. Quick little refresh here. We're going to see what we're looking at. We got Bitcoin sitting at about 69K. We got Ethereum 3,500. Solana coming back to that 200 level. XRP is still sitting around that 64 cents. Guys, don't sleep on XRP. I know it's been chilling there for a while. Cardano 65 cents. Polkadot, Chainlink. Let's see what else. Uniswap. Guys, a lot of good projects on here. I'm going to click this. These are a lot of projects that we look at and call out. There it is. My portfolio. And really what I want to do is kind of map out, see what we're looking at here in the market, see where Bitcoin is, the total market cap, everything like that. A lot of amazing projects here listed. Some of them not as amazing. They might have been amazing a little while back, but they're not as amazing anymore. Maybe like Looks, for example. I know Looks is on here still, but we can see ICPs moving. Radium, guys, don't sleep on Radium. Solana's network is growing. Radium is a decentralized exchange, kind of like Uniswap, but for Solana. Let's see what else we got. Bonfida, don't sleep on that either. We've got chat in here as well. Bonfida is like a Ethereum name service, so it's Solana name service. And then there's another project that's called Soul Chat. Now, Soul Chat allows you to talk through the decentralized network, right? All you need to do is have internet, utilize Soul Chat, and so Bonfida, think of like Cash App, right? Like if you were to send money on someone on Cash App, it's the money symbol and then their name, right? Tyler, Cash App Tyler. Kind of same thing for Bonfida, right? It'll be Tyler.soul. Now, what's cool with Soul Chat, let's say you want to send a message to me. How would you do that? You would need my Solana address. Well, Solana name service, Tyler.soul, that's how you could contact me. You could FaceTime, call me, message me. Super awesome projects, but guys, again, market's pumping. We had a quick little retracement the other day, and it doesn't seem like it lasted too long. We're coming up on the, oh my goodness, the $2.8 trillion market cap. Let me pull up the charts and let's see what we're looking at here. So let me go to good old Bitcoin, see where we're playing at. Now, Bitcoin, guys, we have the halving coming up right around here. This is the weekly chart, so it's going to show, I think, the 15th on that. But if we go down, you can see it's actually on the 20th. It's supposed to be around the 20th, right? It depends on the blocks. And then we have the ETF deadline. So this here, guys, is the all-time highs right over here, right? Go back to the weekly so we can get a better view on that. But here is the kind of a bigger look at Bitcoin, right? There we go. So really what we have happening here is we broke above our previous high, which is, again, we can mark it right here. There we go. So we broke above our previous high, which is right here, circled in yellow. And now you can see we broke above, and now we're staying above, especially on the weekly, which is awesome to see. Now, if we go down on the daily, you can see other candles are below there. But what's awesome, guys, is that we're still above on the weekly. We've broken above, we're holding. And honestly, I think we might continue up, or we might, I mean, if we break this down, this little retracement, right? It's kind of a big retracement, but some projects felt a little more than others. I think as long as we hold these levels, we're going to continue up. And keep in mind, this is now our all-time high here. This new all-time high is about 73K, 74K. So let's take a look at the total market cap as well, see what's happening there. All right, let's see. So the total market cap kind of similar, but a little different. This total market cap actually looks a little bit more like ETH than it does Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin technically broke above and continued up. Now, here with the total market cap, guys, you can see if we were to just get rid of this here, and then we can just ignore the black. I'll just get rid of them, right? So we measured this move from this high to this bottom, and the market came and retraced, right? Had a little bit of trouble breaking through this 50% area. We broke through, continued up, and now we're at the last levels of support, right? This last zone of support here, the 78.6 to the 88.6 zone. And so what we're seeing here is some resistance. Now I want to see this really break above this level here and this all-time high $3 trillion market cap, right? We're getting close. I just showed you on CoinGecko. We're sitting over here at 2.8. Now these numbers are always slightly off, right? This looks like it's 300 billion delayed, right? So technically if it was 2.8, we'd actually be 2.7, right? 2.8, about right there is where we're currently at. According to CoinGecko, right? Let's see 2.750. So yeah, there's Bitcoin, the total market cap, and let's take a look at ETH. That's ETH Bitcoin. So yeah, again, ETH looks just like the total market cap. You can see they're almost spitting images. Like if we change between the two charts, you're not going to see much of a difference. Let me do this. Open. Always forget you can do this on TradingView. I need my charts. New chart. Come on. There we go. So we got ETH there, and then let's pull up the total market cap here. So we got the total. Give it a second. She's loading. What the? I think I got rid of all my markups here. At least on that one. Just like that. And do save. Yeah, we don't want to save none of that. I thought we could just add it to. Sorry guys, the computer's lagging on just a little bit here. Right, and you can, oh, there we go. Look at this. Oh, come on. You can kind of see it's almost a spitting image of that chart. Let me move this a little bit. Look at this, guys. Literally a spitting image of the ETH chart. And again, it makes sense because a lot of, if you look at the main market cap, right? This is the total market cap, including Ethereum and Bitcoin, right? The one that we have on here. And then there's another one that doesn't include it. Now you can look at the difference is about $2 trillion. So $2 trillion of the market cap is in Bitcoin and Ethereum. And so those two, what happens to them kind of determines what happens to the rest of the market. So kind of looking at this is really cool because guys, look, it's like a spitting image, right? Let me get rid of that now. But yeah, Ethereum's looking the same. I think we got a little bit of retracement here. If we do go on the daily on Ethereum, we got a nice retracement. None of these were unexpected by any means. These were all normal retracements, right? It doesn't matter where we put it, whether we go to here. We had a nice 50% touch right there. And then if we also draw it on a smaller time frame, right? If we were to use this as the bottom, we got a nice 78.6, 88.6 touch. Beautiful. For me, that's all I need to see for it to be, continue up at least back to this 4K level. And I would actually like to see Ethereum break through and continue up. Now, a lot of the market cap's still rising, and you see that ETH and again the total market cap look very, very similar. Now, my brother, you good? Now a lot of these other tokens like Solana, the market cap is growing in these guys. A lot of liquidity is flowing into Solana because of what the fees on ETH. Now we can kind of do the same thing. We can get rid of this really quick just to make it less confusing. Now on a bigger time frame, right? Solana looks just like ETH. It's just like the total market cap. Like they're all spitting images. And again, we can just kind of ignore these for the time being. You can see the 50% 618 zone. Originally, we came up, kind of had some resistance there. Boom, broke through. And we kind of have a slight retracement. Now, realistically, what I would really love for it to see Sol touch like that 150, maybe even 165. Well, I guess it did. The 165 level, it did touch it one more time. And I mean, guys, Solana is it's an early ETH, right? The fees are cheaper. Awesome use case. The utility on it is amazing. So yeah, let's go back here. We can throw again. We'll put on a daily and we'll throw a little fib on it. Let's do it on a weekly actually. So I'm going to use Well, we use this bottom and here it is there. So, I mean, honestly, guys, again, could we see it? Sure. Do we have to? No. I mean, Sol could keep going and push up. I would like to see us, if we are going to continue up, I want to see us really break through these levels and see a break above, hold, and continue up. Break above, hold, continue up. And we're not really that far away from all-time highs, guys. If we were to really look at it, we're about $60 away from all-time high, which still is a lot, right? Still is a lot. It's nice, 35%. But could you have bought it down here when we were calling it for? Absolutely. So guys, overall, don't panic on the market. We got a lot of good projects. FIDA, Fetch, H bars moving again, XRP. We got Uniswap, Solana, SNX. We got Render. We called that about $2. Rocket Pool, don't sleep. This was one of the only projects in the bear market that continued to go up. And yeah, about $65. Awesome project. With the ordinals, quant, Maker's awesome too. Maker a lot of the time. So a lot of money, a lot of Ethereum, a lot of really any cryptocurrency is locked up within Maker. Most of the money that flows into crypto flows through Maker first. People lock money up in Maker because they can then take a loan out against themselves while still holding that lump sum as long as they maintain a health factor. So I would really love to see Maker break through and continue up, guys. We were calling this one back out around $500. Ooh, it's getting windy out there. We got Matic, Blink. What else do we got? GRTs. That's what I call FTM. Major moves up. Buying this around 40 cents, guys. So awesome to see this thing finally run and win. A lot of tokens like HBAR and XRP. Look at that, 225%. Nice. We got Flow. Flow moved up. We were calling Flow out. Pretty nice levels as well. Flow is an awesome project, partner with Instagram, NFL, a lot of other projects like that. We were calling it out at Sense. Filecoin, another amazing project. ENS, that is Ethereum name service, similar to FIDA, right? FIDA is Solana name service. So this is Ethereum name service. So you can kind of see, right, the similarities between the two. Now, ENS definitely didn't go as low as FIDA, but FIDA is a lot newer. So we'll see what's up. Compound, don't sleep on Compound. Awesome project, similar to Aave, Maker, loaning protocols, lending and borrowing. So we've been buying this. All my best buy on this was about $24. Guys, we've hit $100 a few different times and 100% returns a few different times on this. So really, even the $70 level is beautiful. We got that 50% touch here. So let's see what's up. I think even there, good area to dollar cost average balancer, another awesome project. Algorand, Cardano, Aave, amazing projects, guys. It's so funny because again, we were calling these all out for months at these levels. So with that being said, guys, have an awesome week. Let's crush it. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the Discord, comment them below, and we'll see you next time, guys. We're out. Peace.